Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Have I got a beautiful one here for you. 2001 Land Rover Defender X Dynamic 110 HSE. If you don't know a lot about Land Rovers, that's pretty much the top dog. They do have one above it, but you're talking at almost double the price. This thing is beautiful. Tasman blue, ebony interior, 20,000 miles, one owner, factory bumper to bumper warranty, independently inspected. Again, the factory warranty is good nationwide. Fresh service, fresh recon, 20,000 miles. I bought it with 16,000 miles and drove it cross country. I bought it from the original owner. I visited with him face to face for hours. Yeah, it's awesome. This is our first Defender. This thing is incredible. It is a mild hybrid. Just basically helps you on the start assist. It's a 3.0 with 385 horse. It's got the cold climate package. It's got the family comfort package. It's got the what are some of the other packages? It's got like 5 packages on it. It's full-time all-wheel drive. You can use the touchscreen to really dial it in to make it go anywhere. Air suspension, tow package. Got the big double roof on it. Heated and cooled seats. Heated second row, heated third row. Seating for 7, although maybe children way, way, way in back. Pretty tough for an adult back there, I ain't gonna lie. Big, huge touchscreen. Just beautiful inside. Adaptive cruise, 360 camera, tow package. Thing is gorgeous. Hard to find. As of this listing, there's only 34 in the entire country with this particular package for sale right now. We have the only one within 600 miles of our location as of the time of this listing. Again, tow package. Talking about financing. When you're in the finance office, you can upgrade the warranty very reasonably. Get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. So we're not going to keep you here all day. Let's talk about price. You might find a lower advertised price, but be careful for fees. We have a $145 dock fee. Otherwise, the price you see is the price you pay. A lot of dealers are advertising at cost or below, and then tacking on $2,000 to $10,000 in unadvertised fees. It's garbage. It should be illegal. It probably is. We don't believe in that stuff here, so you have an honest price on there. So let's recap. One owner, 20,000 miles, fresh service, fresh detail. Top dog, seating for 7, fast financing, and no hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.